wrestling yourself. But once you finally get past yourself and get out of your own fucking way, then you'll really start to learn. And you'll see that you've made it much.
I was just checking to see if this was one of those events that used to be a red folder. And then obviously tomorrow we got PMI. But yeah, first red folder news of the week. We had NVIDIA earnings obviously come out yesterday in the PM session. Where was NVIDIA here? Yeah, so in the PM session, this candle down, this is when NVIDIA earnings came out. So manipulated lower, just kind of ended up chopping after that. So now going into today, looking at how things are. I mean, this Drake candle down is actually something else. That is actually disgusting. I'm just as in awe as you guys are. That's absolutely disgusting. But yeah, obviously price came up here in pre-market, took out this was actually our longest term target yesterday for the longs that we took. We did end up hitting that 15-minute fair value gap in here yesterday morning. So I don't know if anybody after the stream took that attempt. We talked about it kind of as the stream was ending, as price pulled down into this 15-minute fair value gap. Could see the move play out to that second target. So that did play out. If you did end up taking it, just kind of ended up being more of a tape read for me. And then obviously, yeah, now trading above London and this huge displacement down. Let's check ES here. Let's check the daily chart. I'll put a poll in the chat here in a bit. Well, I'll do it now. No need to procrastinate. Let me know your guys' bias today, if you have one. If you don't have one, just let me know in the old chat box. But let me know what you guys are thinking. Looking here at the daily chart, let me check ES. Interesting daily candles. We keep, so far this week, we keep driving higher, taking out previous daily highs. And then obviously since Tuesday, Wednesday, obviously today, Thursday, you know, we're not going for the previous daily low yet. So that's interesting. You know, when you see stuff like this, it does make you want to lean more bearish, but you know, because you raid these highs, just looking at all of these stacked relative equal lows, trendline liquidity, low resistance liquidity run, whatever you'd like to call it. Definitely looks pretty good. If I were to say so myself. We got London low here. Keep in mind, we were feeling a little bit more bullish for Wednesday and Thursday going into the rest of the week after Tuesday. So this kind of throws a little extra different wrinkle in things. This formation here in the beginning of market open. Let's check regular trading hours. Opening range gap filled AF. We got this opening range gap from Thursday to Friday. Price traded into this morning and rejected oh so heavily from. So 15-minute candle close here in like 2 minutes. Here's the 5. Yeah, I don't know, man. Is anybody no capping in the chat, please. But did anybody take the longs from up here, market open? I mean, another one of those days it's seemingly looking like right now where market opens up and we just go in a straight shot. I mean, literally, this is 9:30 open right here. Jumped off the high dive. Nasdaq did. Bitcoin must be selling off as well a little bit. Oh, not too bad. 97.1. Yeah, Ethereum's up 8%. Oh, man. I was getting excited last night. I'm like, man, Bitcoin might hit 100K. Almost stayed up for it. Glad I didn't. Would have been a waste of time. Would have been a waste of time. 50%. Yeah, it's pretty split in the chat. Bias wise, 53% bullish, 47% bearish. I would say, well, I mean, I kind of just explained my thought process. I don't know if that gives me a bias one way or the other. I feel like the way that price has opened up and traded so far already, I guess I'm more so neutral at this point. Going with the flow, I would say, I mean, I would say, like, if price retraces up here and kind of leaves these lows down here with London, and then obviously ES, if those get left as well, so no SMT divergence. You know, if we get a retracement, it'd be kind of hard not to just play the OT of the range and just continue going short, to be honest. But, like, if London low gets taken out here, and then we start displacing back up with some bullish PD arrays, well, then I think the longs could make sense. So that's kind of where I'm at, you know. Obviously, I mean, look at this 15-minute, even a pretty strong close. Definitely got your change in the state if you're looking for that. So I don't know. That's kind of where my head's at right now, looking at this. You know, because we did not put any SMT up here at the high, with that previous London high getting taken out either. So I don't know. I don't know. Stream keep buffering? I don't know. I would check your internet. Looks like we're good over here. I haven't dropped any frames yet. Knock on wood. Yeah, everything looks good. So I guess, yeah, moral of the story here for me in the short term, if you needed me to define my bias, if I had to pick one right now, if we trade up here before taking London low, I'm bearish. If we take London low out and then obviously start showing signs of reversal, I'm bullish. How's that sound? Take a profit set 100K? No. No. No, I think the first place I would consider taking anything off the table for Bitcoin is not going to be until I marked it out. First place I would consider is this -1 standard deviation up at like above 120. So until then, I'll just be chilling. Probably have to survive some pullbacks, I would imagine. Ain't nothing new. So we're pulling back here. We got macro in like 2.5 minutes, boys and girls. Get everything nice and tidy. So London low here. We'll mark that out. Took out previous London high. Obviously, we took out today's London high as well. This is, well, we don't even have to label it that. We could label it previous daily high. And then just crazy, crazy, crazy displacement. To the downside. I stand corrected. As I scaled into the 1 minute, there is an SMT divergence with ES here. Obviously at 9:30 open. You guys see that? So up here at the highs, 9:30 open did not manipulate higher on ES. It did manipulate higher on NQ. So there is an SMT divergence up here. Did not see that until I jumped onto the 1 minute. Looking like might be setting us up for the short here. So we'll try to be as precise as possible. I mean, this could, I don't know how far this will want to pull back. You do have a breaker block here. So you got breaker here. Obviously, in terms of imbalances go, you just take your pick. But I would say anything from this point, fair game for entry. See if we can find something. Digging up right now into the breaker. In premium of the range. ES about to do the same. Digging into this wick right now. But yeah, problem with entering here would be like, you kind of have to give your stop. I mean, you'd have to put your stop all the way up here because price could trade up really all the way into here without invalidating the idea. The VIX is only 16. Interesting. Look at this, guys. Just this is 80 points. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Macro is upon us as well. Yeah, we got the pull at dead even 50-50. Fair enough. Well, I am only looking for shorts if we rebalance to EQ. Well, yep. NQ 15-minute is Wyckoff? Maybe. Meta. I don't know. I don't know if I'm the right person to ask about Wyckoff theory. That's a blast from the past, though. I haven't heard Wyckoff theory since like I Am Mastery Academy days. So if we displace down here and we leave obviously behind some imbalance or something that I can get in on, I'll do that. We are creating an inversion here. I'm going to see if I can get this. 30-second fair value gap left behind here. See if price can pop up in here and grab this. Stop at the recent high. So I'm keeping it tight as I can. Still 30 points. Oh, wow. you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I'm in with one. I'm canceling this limit. Took half the size off. I'm not gonna get left behind if this just fucking melts. Holy shit. We'll see, boys. That's crazy, dude. It literally missed my order by fucking like one tick. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, my aching ass. Good lord. That's really unfortunate. That is really unfortunate. Yeah, London lows look good. That's where I'm going. I wanted to have 2 on so I could partial. But no, market said, get fucked. I have the same, it's the same risk either way. Like, it was a 30-point stop with 2, or it's a fucking 60-point stop apparently with 1. Oh, God. I don't know why. Just seeing a stop loss that big just makes me nervous. It just does. I'm not going to lie. Bearish for value gap still being left here. Anyway, nothing to do now but sip the coffee and wait. I'm a little salty that I didn't get picked up though on the original sell limit order. That actually is really, really stupid. What I'm gonna do here on ES is mark out this London low, put an alert on it. ES could maybe beat NQ to the low there. So. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed about the that limit there. What do you do? You know, definitely not the fill I wanted. But unfortunately, I don't make the rules. I've never been kidnapped and taken down by the river and asked to code the market. If I was, I'd say, yeah, just fill all my limits perfectly. I don't want any drawdown. And I want you to go straight to my target. I don't care what direction I'm going. I don't care if it doesn't make sense. Just go hit my take profit. That's all I ask. Did you get second chart? I've had them, yeah. I usually buy the TradingView Black Friday deal. So that'll be coming out here shortly, I'm sure. This week coming up, probably. So yeah, I usually, I mean, I don't always, you know, I don't go out of my way to try to use them or anything, but I think today was a good situation to pull them out. All right, guys, I'm removing risk now. We've moved a good amount. If you got more than one, I'd be partialing right now if I got triggered into my original limit. I wanted to go 2 contracts, did not get triggered in, and missed me by like a tick. So I'd be partialing right now. I'd be taking one off, most likely. This is a nice run. Obviously, you can do whatever you want, but just telling you what I would be doing for those interested or curious. But then again, like, for those of you guys that use Topstep X, I was considering, I'm like, do I maybe not even renew, like, the full TradingView Premium Plus plan or whatever? Because you get the second start with Topstep X. I mean, I don't know. It's a tax write-off either way, so. You could have both. But yeah, Topstep X gives you the 15 and the 30 second. No, the delay in the chat's not that much why I am. I just, if I'm talking about charts or whatever, sometimes I just don't read the chat for a bit. The only benefit of not having thousands and thousands of people watching the live streams yet is it allows me to still see messages that were sent a little while ago. Maddie says the reason for the trade, no SMT, nothing. Sure, I'll go over it again if you want in a little bit here. But really simply, we took previous day high, displaced like a crazy SOB at open, and pretty clear, relative clean, like clean relative equal lows kind of all stacked up here. So easy, pretty obvious draw on liquidity. We pulled back to equilibrium of the range, started displacing lower again, so grabbed the entry. In simplest terms, that would be why the reason for the trade. Tried getting in on this 30-second fair value gap, didn't fill me, so I ended up taking one contract off the risk and getting in here. Trading through this low here, guys. Getting an SMT divergence. Oops. I want to see it quickly. Yeah, I'm not going to mess with it. I'm out. I didn't have the balls, boys. I'm seeing this SMT divergence make me a little nervous, but London low is very close. London low is very close. I'm happy with that. That's a lot of points. Like, even when I took the trade, I didn't really realize how fucking many points that was. That's a 100-point move, damn near, already. It was like 90, 98, 99 points. I mean, that's clean, guys. That's fucking clean. That's clean. That is really, really, really clean. That's like... For ICT concepts, that's like perfectly what you're looking for. I don't know how it gets... I really don't know how it could get cleaner than that. That is perfect alignment. I'm very happy about that. But I am not happy that I did not get filled on my original entry. I don't know how many times I can say that. That is really disappointing. Really disappointing. Because then that allows me to get a partial off down here when I told you guys I would have been partialing, and then I'm just holding. With no... You know what I mean? London low incoming, kids. I did leave some money on the table, obviously. Doesn't look like much, but it's actually 20 points. Crazy, dude. I can't believe the VIX is only... It's going up now. We're volatile. We are volatile, boys and girls. Oh, I jinxed your guys' TPs at London low. I'm sorry. I jinxed you. What's the TB? I'm already out auto expedition. I got out as price is trading through this low. I had the limit set at London low, but we were forming SMT with ES. And so I wanted to see it quickly get there. And if we started kind of wicking back up, I was just going to close it, which I did. So. You know, it could still get there though. I mean, it's clear. I mean, it could go like if we've topped for the year on the market, we're not done by any stretch of the imagination. We're going like we're probably going to see a new low of the week by tomorrow, if not by today. You know, the big what if. What if? I don't know. But yeah, here's the executions. 30-second chart. Got my fill 721 and a quarter. Got out 623 and a half. So yeah, like 98 points or whatever. Not bad. That's fast. Not in that trade very long. 54 to minute 30 after. 7 minutes. 7 minute, 100 points. That's crazy. Anybody still holding for the London low? Here she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Come on now. Mm-hmm. 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 Come on, market. We got some kids holding for London. Give it to them.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
You get me? Man. There she blows. Oh, man. Come on, boys. RIP to the Bulls so far this morning, I would say, huh? It's like when you get a dub in Fortnite and you just start spamming emotes. That's what I'm doing right now with this, with these memes.
I'm gonna come.
Oh boy. I'm not gonna film it and put it on my Instagram story, but let's get some W's in the chat. Come on, chat. Let's get some W's in the chat. Oh man. That was nice. I like trades like that. See, those are the trades you want to be in. The ones that just are like so fucking easy and fast. You almost feel like you didn't do anything. You kind of feel like you should keep trading just because you feel like you were barely on the charts. But that's the trap. That's where they get you, kids. That's where they get you. No, 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 no. These are what dreams are made of. Okay? But yeah, let's see what happens today, kids. I don't know, man. This could just be a doozy of a sell day. For all I know, it could just be an absolute doozy. It is the first red folder news day of the week, so. But yeah, one last little recap. So, first of all, well, no, I'm not gonna scale up. We took the previous daily high. That's all you need to look for. As we scaled in smaller time frames, we had an SMT divergence here. with Nasdaq and ES. And obviously price had just a crazy Drake candle, as I forget who in the chat said that, but it was true. Crazy Drake candle here at market open. So we just waited for the retracement to premium before looking to entertain any shorts. Now, some people would maybe ask, and this is a question that I would ask like early on, is like, well, okay, well, how do you know the price isn't going to go back above this high and maybe like hit your stop loss and then go? The answer is you do not know. That could have happened. And there will probably be a moment in price in the future where that does happen. So you don't know. But all you're looking for is a series of confluences that can kind of give you the hint that price is ready to go or may be ready to go. Would maybe be the best way to phrase that. But once you get your conditions met that you need to see to justify the trade, and then you see the setup, you just got to take it. And if you lose, you lose. That's why you got to have good risk management. But being that we were so volatile, like, obviously, probably not the best idea to have a fucking 130 point stop loss. I mean, I guess you can do it if you're a crazy SOB, but so yeah, once we got to this point, and then we start kind of rejecting, if you will, right here. That was when I scaled in 30-second. I did peek at the 15 just to see if there was anything that looked good for entry, which there you could have entered here on a 15-second as well. But yeah, 30-second. This was the entry I wanted, and for whatever reason, just did not get filled. Must have had my limit set just one tick too high. So but yeah, hopefully that all makes sense. And then today was just one of those days where price was in a hurry and it almost gave us like no resistance, just like straight down. So yeah, in the macro as well. Macro just ended, so yeah, hopefully that all makes sense. Harpeet goes, are you still going to look for trades? Why do you ask, Harpeet? Harpeet, I'm curious why you're asking if I'm still looking for trades. Be honest. Why are you asking? Don't go anywhere. I'm going to take at least 10 more. Yeah, exactly, Melra. Whenever I play with profits, they go right back to the house. That is true with trading and true with every time I've ever ventured to any casino whatsoever, which is why I've never actually been profitable leaving a casino, because I go up and then it's only been like 10, 15 minutes. I'm like, me and the boys just got here. I can't leave now. It's only 15 minutes. I can't leave after 15 minutes. We just got here. And then I give it all right back. And then I leave pissed off. No, not really. But just disappointed. Tyler, I got in on the first down close candle on the 1. I took 3 losing trades, putting me down 1,700. This one winning trade put me up 1,000. I'm going to call it a day before the markets take my soul. Wow. Hopefully you weren't over leveraging, Anthony, but congrats. Obviously you're doing something right. Well, unless you were doing a number like this. Unless you're doing a number like this. I was gonna say, outside of that though, if your risk was the same across the board for every trade, W risk to reward. I saw your poll, what people do with your trades. I saw that 0% of people are here to copy your trades. People lying. Exactly, YM. I'm glad you noticed that, because then I don't have to say it. But I mean, I wasn't asking about like just my streams in general. I'm sure people treat my streams the same way they would treat anybody else's trading streams. But yeah, we'll give them the benefit of the doubt, YM. But I'm glad you noticed that. Already manual lockout, but I'm going to sit here and learn. Just asking how to manage your risk. How I manage my risk, it just kind of, bro, it really depends on the account, the situation. Like today was a situation where I really didn't have a choice but to take off my second contract. I mean, I would have just been going, my risk would have been, with 60 points, it was already pretty high. I mean, your 60-point stop with one contract is already over $1,000. Which, yeah. I mean, I don't try to risk over like a 0.5% very often. But I also try not to let the profit and loss or the I try my best not to let the stop loss size prevent me from putting my stop loss where it should go. I'm not perfect at it. Every once in a while I try to get cute with it and I try to, you know, shave down the stop a little bit, and that has bitten me in the ass a couple times. You know, it's nice when you can get away with a really tight stop and it just never goes into drawdown and you end up getting like a perfect entry. But obviously that's not the case a lot of the time with trading. You're not always going to get the perfect entry with no drawdown. So, you know, I think it's important to have your stop if you can manage it, if you can have the stop where it shouldn't, you know, where if price goes there, it should invalidate the trade. You know, so. And every once in a while you get the fucking, yeah, super volatile market. Another bone to the recent high? I don't know. I personally, I could maybe see myself, taking something, honestly, not right now, but like maybe like by the next macro. But I could also see myself fucking being done for the day. I would hate to squander a great day by giving back profits. So, well, boys, I hate to cut the stream early, but like, I feel like mission accomplished. Well, let's look at the crypto, 8% Ethereum. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know, man. Bitcoin might hit 100K today. Look at this on the hourly. Oh my goodness. Look at this on the hourly on Bitcoin. That is sexy. If this can just... Oh. Or are we going to get teased on Bitcoin and this is not going to hit 100K before the end of the year? What are you guys thinking? Oh, I appreciate it, Maida. I'm glad you like it. Let's TikTok doom scroll for some meme coins. Yo, what's going on? I saw yesterday, I think on Twitter actually, I saw that our old buddy TJR might be getting in a lawsuit for shilling some meme coins on stream as financial advice. Did you guys see that? Oh man, how the turntables. You know, I would have thought that the lying to 15-year-olds to sell them an offshore affiliate link to a offshore forex broker, along with selling them a Discord and mastermind mentorships 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5. You know, I thought that was actually probably worse than talking about meme coins. But either way, it sounds like the crypto community don't play. Sounds like the crypto community don't give a fuck. Unlike the forex community, apparently the forex community and the day trading community is a little bit more tolerant. Maybe be the right way to put it. But yeah, I just saw that yesterday. I mean, I'm assuming that was a new story as of yesterday, but yeah, I saw that on Twitter of all things. Thankfully, his videos don't pop up for me on my TikTok anymore. I'm sure now that I'm fucking talking about it out loud, they're just going to go crazy on my timeline. Because they're listening. They're all listening. But, yeah. I can't say that makes me, well, it's bad to root for people's downfall, but that guy really is a piece of work. I try to take the high road as much as I can, but I'm not perfect. And I'm tired of pretending. And I'm tired of pretending like I am. Sometimes you got to take the low road. I did see the rug pull video of the kid, yeah. And then they pumped it till, like, he would have had like 2-point-something million. That's funny. What a crazy... I mean, I don't know. It kind of feels like, though, like what I saw yesterday, like Phantom Wallet was the, I think, the #1 app on the App Store, the most downloaded or something. You know, these are typical kind of signs where it's like, alrighty. If that many... if levels of crazy are coming in like that right now, it might be a quick little... Might have been a quick little wave. Which is why I said which is why I told you guys yesterday, I'm like, if you're gonna chase any crypto coins, and again, not financial advice. Nothing's financial advice. It's all pure entertainment, speculation, opinions. And what you do with those opinions is not my responsibility. But yeah, if you're gonna chase any coins, you want to chase coins that are not meme coins. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, guys, yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there. Sounds like my dog's about to literally go puke in the other room, so I'm gonna go tend to him, make sure he's fine and doesn't make a mess anymore. But yeah, we'll be back live tomorrow, I'm thinking. Nice, quick, easy trade today, man. And I hope you guys enjoy the quick day at the office, and I hope you guys enjoy your Thursday. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Our trade sits at his desk, coffee in hand. The Nasdaq charts on his screen, he's in command. He's a day trader, chasing dollars and dreams. Using ICT concepts, he's got some tricks up his sleeves. From Fibonacci retracements to volume spread analysis, Tyler knows the smart money, he's gaining an advantage. He watches the market like a hawk in the sky. With every tick and every turn, he's catching the high. Running with the smart money, kicking up dust. Tyler trades a day trader you can trust. He's dancing with the bulls, riding with the bears, making moves, taking risks, he's a millionaire. With the bulls, riding with the bears, making moves, taking risks, he's a millionaire.